Hi friends, it's Becky, and I have a really quick project to share with you today because today is my favorite sci-fi themed pun-based pseudo holiday. It is May the 4th, and that is Star Wars Day because May the 4th be with you. So I'm going to be sharing a little project today. I also have a couple more that I've created over the years. I did some wirework Rebel Alliance earrings in pink with beads on them. And then I've also have a design that I did last year with a Empire symbol beaded with a bead weaving design using some 2-hole beads and seed beads. And I'll put the links to those in the description below if you would like to look at those tutorials as well. But this is a really quick, really simple, and really easy earring design using some toho seed beads, and these are Dark Aqua silver lined toho seed beads, and you could choose any color you want. You could have blue, you could have red. If you're Mace Windu, you could have purple. Maybe I want a hot pink lightsaber, I don't know, but I'm going to be using blue today. And then another thing that you'll need is a 2-inch head pin. It's important to use a long head pin for this, and I've got one that just has a flat bottom so that the end of my lightsaber doesn't have any special funky little balls on the end. And then you'll need some cylinder shaped spacers, and these have this cool texture on them. These are 4x4 millimeters. They've got kind of a large hole on the inside. Let me turn that over. So they will wobble around and move on the head pin. To address that, I've got some just a few 11 seed beads that will go inside of these when they're sitting on my head pin. So let's get started. I'm just going to grab my head pin and pick up 13 of these toho seed beads. Why 13? Because I feel like it's the right kind of balance between the length of the lightsaber and the handle there, the grip for that. So let me go back to counting because I wasn't counting, I was talking. It's 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. And now that I've got those on here, I'm going to put on 3 11-ohs per spacer for these. They're 4x4 again. So that was going to be 9 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it doesn't really matter what color 11-oh you use. I'm just using some crystal silver lined ones because they, they're what I had on my desk. So now that I've got those on there, I'm going to just press my finger against the bottom of this while I hold onto it and start putting my spacers over it. See, it doesn't go down over the 8-ohs because they're big enough, but it does fit perfectly over these 11-ohs, and it keeps them from wobbling around on that. So now that I've got this built up, I'm going to want to make a loop over here. I'm holding on to the whole pin. And you can use a pair of pliers or something to bend this over the top if you want. I just used my fingers. I just want to make a little bend over the top right there. And I've got already about 1 centimeter of space left on here. So I'm just going to grab some round nose pliers and roll that back towards me until it meets the other end. It's just going to be a simple loop at the end of this head pin. And now I can attach an ear wire, and you can see what a simple and easy project this is. I didn't even need any flush cutters or anything like that. And now I've got a pair of earrings that I can wear to celebrate Star Wars. So, May the 4th be with you, and happy beading. Till next time, bye.